Okay, now we're here with Michael Hahn from STEK USA, paint protection film manufacturer that we use here at ESOTERIC. Michael, thank you for joining us here at our open house. Tell us a little bit about some of the products you guys have been coming out with. A lot of new products, industry-leading products. So rather hear it from you.
Totally. So we've been around since 1977.
Okay.
We were targeting OEM applications, and initial success with those films and those products brought us here to the U.S. just a couple years ago. We're coming here to the U.S. trying to bring in very innovative products that honestly just makes the consumer's life more enjoyable, makes driving their car more enjoyable. So some of our films that we have to offer are extremely hydrophobic. They're self-healing. So these are properties that, as a daily driver, really add to the benefit of maintaining your car, keeping that look of the car as perfect as it was when it got off the showroom.
Right.
Some of the new products that we're bringing in include like a black PPF. So a lot of vinyl is wrapped on cars, and those do good color changes, but they don't offer protection. And so we're trying to bridge that gap and really offer a unique line of films, fashion films, headlight, taillight films to really customize and make everyone's car their own.
Yeah, what about the dyno carbon? I mean, that's really cool stuff.
Yeah, the dyno carbon is pretty cool. It's a transparent by nature carbon fiber overlay or paint protection film. So it has the same hydrophobic, self-healing, anti-contaminant properties, but it allows any panel of the car to become a carbon fiber pattern without necessarily investing in a full carbon fiber piece or anything like that, but still getting that very unique look.
Well, that, and you see the color underneath. So if it's white, you have like a white carbon fiber. Red, you have a red carbon fiber.
Exactly. So really, if you wanted like a red spoiler to pop, wrap that in carbon, and you have a pretty sweet, unique looking car.
Yeah, awesome. Well, we started working with the product last year. We knew the guys, had a long relationship with the guys from STEK USA. Before they became STEK USA, we've been incredibly happy with the product. I've got my car completely wrapped in it right now. Love the stuff, the hydrophobic properties. I don't have to worry about putting any kind of coatings on it. Really amazing. Dan, who kind of runs everything in our department doing paint protection film from an installation perspective, finds it to be much better to work with. And the other thing about it is the clarity. Here at ESOTERIC, when people are sending the cars from across the country and have them polished out, last thing we want to do when we put paint protection film on is to detract from the looks.
Right.
And we've done measurements with all the paint protection film manufacturers on the market, and we find that STEK has the best clarity of anything, and I know that's a big selling point for you guys.
Definitely. We have a very unique manufacturing process, and I'm not able to go in that too much, but it allows us to kind of have these innovative products and films that are a little bit more glossy, a little clearer, and easy to install, easy to conform, and very puncture resistant.
Yep, that's awesome. Any insight into what you guys may be doing in the future with the company or the brand?
Definitely. We want to become a comprehensive service provider for our installers, for guys looking to get into paint protection film. So we will have training, we will have our software of our own coming up. We're very excited about it. We want to make it easy to guys to get into this industry and this market. It's really protection that with so many new cars getting bought every single day, most people need. It really does. And the paint quality these days isn't the same as it was 20, 30 years ago. It's environmental reasons. And so the need for it's never been stronger. We want to bring that awareness. We want to make driving the car less stressful, more enjoyable.
Yeah. Well, we were having that conversation yesterday about, somebody who's like really OCD about their car. They're worried about, slight scratches, swirls. Coming to car shows like this, worry about somebody touching it.
Right.
But when you fully wrap the car in paint protection film, you don't worry about that. Me, myself, I'm that same OCD person, always worry about how the car looks.
Definitely.
But now that I have my car wrapped in film, I don't worry about it. I drive it. If it gets dirty, I drive it in the rain, drive it whatever else. No big deal. Wash it. If it does get a little something, self-healing, no worries. So it's fantastic. But we definitely appreciate you guys being part of our business here at ESOTERIC and coming to the open house. There's a lot of people to speak to here. You guys have come out with an unbelievable product in your film.
Thank you.
We look forward to where it's going in the future. So, STEK USA, great brand of paint protection film products. More products coming in the future to watch out for. Michael, thank you so much for joining us.